Assalamu alaikum. Basically, I'm making this video to send a message to HEC, Higher Education Commission, which recently has ordered to ban private MA or MSc. I'm not speaking individually. I'm speaking on the behalf of million students who have attempted their MA Part 1 and qualified. But now in MA Part 2, they are unable to appear because HEC has recently banned MA and MSc private. This is not basically a message. This is basically a request to HEC to unban MA or MSc so that the all students can appear into part 2 and they can complete their degree. So it's my humble request. Please don't destroy the career of million students living in Pakistan backward areas who are unable to attend regular classes. What about those parents who can't afford today's regular colleges fee or universities environment? They don't allow their daughter to go to colleges and universities. I just want to ask this question. Is it called freedom? Leader, your choice. Religion, your choice. Education, your choice. Anyhow, this is our humble request to unban MA so that we can appear into part 2 and can complete our degree. Because this is our right. We have given it our energy, money and 2 years as well. So please let us complete our degree. This is a request to every citizen of this country. Please do support to unban MA or MSc private.